Welcome back to our channel, Affiliate Malik. If you're on a quest for financial freedom, then you're in the right place. Today, we are going to uncover the hidden gold mine of passive income through affiliate marketing. Have you ever wondered how some people make money online effortlessly? Well, affiliate marketing holds the key. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of affiliate marketing, from what it is to how to start earning a passive income. So, grab a notebook and get ready to learn. Affiliate marketing, the hidden gold mine of passive income. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model that allows individuals, also known as affiliates, to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. It's a win-win situation, as affiliates earn a percentage of each sale they generate, while businesses benefit from increased exposure and sales. Now that you understand what affiliate marketing is, let's explore some of its advantages. First, it provides an opportunity to earn a passive income. With the right strategies and consistent effort, you can generate income even while you sleep. Second, it requires minimal upfront investment. You don't need to create your own product or service, so you can start right away. Third, it offers flexibility and freedom. You can work from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. If you're ready to dive into affiliate marketing, here are the steps to get started. First, choose your niche. It's best to focus on a specific area of interest to target a more defined audience. Second, select affiliate programs that align with your niche. Research reputable programs that offer attractive commissions and support. Third, build your platform. This could be a website, blog, or social media channel, where you can showcase your affiliate products. Fourth, attract an audience. Create valuable content, leverage SEO techniques, and engage with your target audience to drive traffic to your platform. Finally, optimize and track your performance. Continuously analyze your results to understand what works best and make necessary adjustments to maximize your earnings. Secrets to success in affiliate marketing. Now, let's uncover some secrets to success in affiliate marketing. First, build trust with your audience. Authenticity and transparency are key to gaining the trust of potential buyers. Second, provide value through quality content. Offer helpful information, reviews, and recommendations that genuinely benefit your audience. Third, diversify your income sources. Don't limit yourself to a single affiliate program or product. Explore various options to increase your chances. Video title: Congratulations! Affiliate marketing, the hidden gold mine of passive income. You've discovered the hidden gold mine of passive income through affiliate marketing. By understanding the basics and implementing effective strategies, you can build a sustainable online business. Remember, becoming a successful affiliate marketer requires continuous learning, adaptation, and perseverance. So, keep honing your skills and remain innovative in this dynamic digital landscape. Affiliate marketing, the hidden gold mine of passive income. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities of affiliate marketing.